Currently sitting up over 17K in profit, and we're not slowing down. I'm expecting much higher. Today, Bitcoin has hit us with a little something I like to call the there she goes again. I told you to long this in my previous videos. I told you to long this. I told you to long this. I hope you listened to me. In yesterday's video, I told you the exact move that was going to play out. I drew it up to a T, exactly as predicted. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys what we have in store and where my price targets are for this move to the upside. I'm also going to show you a move that you need to watch out for that would move our targets down a little more. It's not the move I'm playing, but I'm aware of it. You need to know this stuff. I'm going to show you possible entry points to get back in if you want to hop in on this action. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. With videos like this, come on guys. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Daily videos. Smash the like button if you are getting something out of these daily videos. I love each and every one of you. Comment down below if you are long on this trade. Comment if you are in a trade. I want to know who's long on this with me. Let's get into the charts, everybody. What a beautiful day it is to be a trader. I'll tell you what. Played out perfectly to a T. And what I'm expecting for Bitcoin, guys, as you know, I'm an Elliott Wave trader. I have perfected the craft of Elliott Wave leverage trading with my trading technique that I use over the years. And if you, guys, if you don't know by now, I've had some crazy calls, and this is one of them. We've been long in this. I was taking long shots. I knew there was going to be some type of a reversal here. I was getting so much hate in the comments, and here we are sitting pretty. Now, the structure I am playing is a very simple as I could draw it, an ABC to the upside. I am looking for 5 waves impulsively to hit up to the upside. 67K is my ultimate target. Obviously, I am paying myself along the way, and Lord willing, we make it up this high. Could we go towards all-time highs? Sure. That's just not what I'm playing. So, as we zoom in on the structure that I am playing, and I will show you a different structure and a different count that I am very aware of that you need to be aware of as well. And then we're going small time frame on this. So stick with me all the way through this video. Now, let's hit him with the 1 hour. Looking at this, I have a 1-2 off of the bottom. Very clear ABC correction here. Very clear. This I'm counting as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A weird wave with an extended fifth and another correction here. So that would be my second 1, 2. And then here we have a third 1, 2 consolidated in a triangle fashion for a 2 wave. Broke up out of here. Now, I'm expecting this wave. This would be our wave 3 of a wave 3 of a wave 3. This should be our absolute monster jam to the upside. Very few pullbacks. And let's, we could pull back here, come up some more, something like that. And then you will start to give your wave 4 corrections, coming down, and so on and so forth until we creep up to the higher targets. I'm expecting this should slice through here like butter. Obviously small pullbacks along the way, but if this is the count, the true count, this would be our wave 3, and we should be just cut into the upside by Monday. Today's the 13th, 14th, 15th. Yeah, by Monday we should be up at the 65, 66K levels. So time will tell, but that's what should be happening here. Let's get rid of this. Now, if you are long, great. I would be holding on to your long for Bitcoin. Very easy, guys. I'm holding this trend line. This is a series of 1-2s. This trend line needs to hold for this to be the count for me. Technically, if you want to get technical with it, this can't break. Technically, this can still be a flat correction in here, and we come down impulsively like that. Could still be the case. Really wouldn't like it, but it could be the case. I'm not even going to entertain that count right now though for you. I just want to see this wave keep pushing to the upside and pushing to the upside and pushing to the upside until we get to about 64, 65K at this point. All right. Now, looking at the Ethereum chart, it also gives credence to this pushing to the upside. As you know, I'm in an Ethereum trade as well. Currently trading 50 ETH and been paying close attention to this chart. This chart shows me that there's a 1-2 off the bottom, and our 2 wave is a flat correction where we had a correction down, a correction up, an impulsive wave down. That is done. We have put in our second 1-2. This looks to be the impulsive wave, the third of the third that we are in the middle of, right? So you would expect this to be quite impulsive. Let's take it all the way up to higher targets here. So this wave 3, in my opinion, should come up to about 2650, and then we could wave 4 out, come back up to 2800 to finish out this wave. On my ETH trade, that is my point, 2800. Obviously, I'm taking profits along the way, but we are in the wave that, for all intents and purposes, should be the most impulsive. This should slice through like butter over the weekend. Let's get up here. Let's move. All right. Now, we have been on an absolute hot streak lately over in the premium Discord, guys. If you're not in premium, join the free Discord at least. It's link pinned in the first comment down below. Join the conversation. There's free alerts that I post and important stuff. But the premium Discord, I do have my alerts. We were 7 for 7 coming into today. Took a small loss, closed out this Ethereum trade. Before it hit the stop loss, closed it out. Told everyone, don't like a short, and then shortly thereafter we just absolutely ripped to the upside here, as you can see. So I kind of hold your hands through these trades as much as I can, guys. I have 24/7 live Elliott wave charts in here. I have an included Elliott wave course in my indicators, and I am jacking up the price next Wednesday, September 18th. I'm increasing the price of my monthly membership. It is too cheap, and the $98 a month will still be too cheap when I jack up the price. If you want to lock in the current price, you need to get in before September 18th. $25 off of your first month with code 25 off. So you get $25 off your first month to try it out, and you lock in the current price. If you want to give it a try, head on over to Discord, click upgrade here, click the WAP link. It links directly with your Discord. All right. So I will see you in premium, guys. I try to give it my full attention. I try to give you as much as I could possibly include in there. All right, back into the charts, So we know where we stand with Bitcoin. Looking at the daily, and guys, I'm going to show you where you can hop in on this and show you an alternate count that I'm looking at very closely. But looking at the daily real quick, couple things. We are coming up towards this RSI trend line on the daily. We may get a rejection here, guys. It might reject, but the fact is there is so much room to the upside to run. I would love to break through that trend line. Let's get up here. Let's break through this. Let's cap out RSI on the daily, and then we have momentum to push down to our 40K targets, 45, 47K targets. We have a finished ABC if that's the case, and then let's go down and finish this wave. All right. This is way in the future. I'm just kind of giving you a little bit of a roadmap as to what I'm playing. So RSI on the daily still looks beautiful. 12 hours starting to get a little high. We go down to the 8 hour, go down to the 4 hour. Yeah. 4 hour momentum, guys. This is massive right now. Massive momentum. A lot of times you will see when momentum is this high, that's when price absolutely jams. And then you would expect it to hurl over, give you a nice wick. So hurl over in our wave 4, give you a nice wick. That would give us our 67K targets. That would give us our divergence that we need on RSI and momentum. And you're bearish and we're coming down. All right. So that's what I'm playing, guys. Now, what is the alternate count that I'm looking out for that you need to be aware of? And can we hop in on this trade somewhere? Can we find a spot to jockey in? Let's see. So the alternate count. And before I go over that stuff, guys, I do want to make you aware, Blowfin just launched a new campaign with me. So linked, pinned in the first comment, along with the Discord, right here. There's a link to go over to Blowfin. My exchange is what everyone is using. They are no KYC. They are amazing. Check them out. You will get refunded $100 on your first loss. If you lose, you get refunded $100. It's a free trade, guys. So go click the link, get your free trade, and go make some money. Now, the alternate count that I'm looking at here is a WXY correction where we have put in a W wave here, a small little X wave here, Y wave here. I'm not a huge fan of this account. It's not why it's not my primary account, but it is a very real possibility, guys. You can somehow call this an impulse off the top. There's various reasons why I don't think this wave is done. I've told you in previous videos, this high for me is getting taken out before this low gets taken out. Whether it wants to happen now, whether it wants to happen later, I am pretty confident this high is getting taken out. I was telling you that when we were down here. When everyone said this low was getting taken out, I told you no, this high is getting taken out first. I'm an Elliott wave trader, and Elliott wave's telling me this high is getting taken out. So that's where I'm at. And if this wants to WXY, you know, great, it can. My first target would be 61,474. I probably will be skimping a little profits off right here, just in case that wants to be the count. You know, so a WXY, a short at the 1-to-1 at 61,474. It's a nice short to take. You would sweep liquidity here of this high. You would come into this volume right here. It's fair. It's fair. And I don't hate a short here. I actually, if I was not in a trade, I would definitely put in a short right here. All right, but that's just me. So, I mean, as long as you're aware of this count, good. You need to be aware of these things. As an Elliott wave trader, I see all of these counts on the charts. It's just what I see nonstop. Now, zooming in, is there a way to get in on this action? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. This video is getting a little long, guys. I'm going to hurry it up. So as you know, we want this trend line to hold right down here. For this to be a 1-2, you really need this trend line to hold for this to be our big impulsive wave. If there are any signs of a pullback, as you can see right now, it does look like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 waves are finishing right now. Do we get a little scary pullback like this right into this zone? If we get a move like this, guys, down to 59,245, I would be looking to long this sucker. 59,245, I'd be looking to long, take profits at 61.4, and hopefully ride it up to at least 64, right? And you'd be looking for a nice impulsive wave to the upside. That's it. That's the trade for me. 59,245 if we get a corrective move. But things change quickly, guys. That's why you need to be in the premium Discord so you get my constant updates and daily alerts. And I'm constantly in the chat. I'm helping everyone out. Like, the premium's popping right now. So get in here, lock in the price, $25 off the first month with code 25OFF. And September 18th, I'm jacking up the prices. We'll probably jack it up again after that because it's way too cheap. All right, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Smash the thumbs up if you are on this killer streak with me. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already for daily freaking updates. Who else is doing this? Nobody else. This is Chart Junkies. I'm Alex. I love you. Bye.